in this lecture, we're gonna look how model item works when we have assembly on our drawing. So we have this assembly, we have part 1, this one, we have part 2 and part 3. And we have a hole that goes through all, and we have this feature here on the top. So we want to put dimensions here using model item. So let's go to annotation and model item. So we have a few options here. We can go entire model, we can go selected feature, we can go selected component, and we can go only assembly. So let's start with entire model. So when we choose entire model, and this is on marked for drawing, then all dimensions that are in sketches marked for drawing will appear here. So let's click OK. And now we see that we have those dimensions that are in sketches of those 3 parts marked for drawing. If we want some additional dimensions, we can go to Smart Dimension and put those dimensions. Let's go back, let's go undo. So let's go to model items again, and let's choose now selected feature. So we're gonna choose this feature here on the top. So click on it. Now we see we have 2 dimensions here. We have 30 millimeters from this hole, and we have diameter of 10 millimeters. So let's exit. Let's try the third one, selected component. So let's click on this one, and let's choose this component, this pin. And now we got here the diameter of 20 millimeters. All those dimensions are created in Sketch and now are important into our drawing. Let's exit and let's show the fourth option that we have only assembly. What this means. So we have this assembly, and this assembly consists of 3 parts. Here we have a hole. This hole is not made in the part file. So this hole is not made in the part file 1, part file 2 and part file 3. This hole is created in the assembly file. When you create a feature in assembly file, you create assembly feature. And now if you choose here only assembly, then dimensions of those features that are created in assembly will appear here. So let's choose only assembly and OK. And now as you see, we got 10 millimeters. So when you're looking for assembly feature, the feature that is created in assembly, and you don't know if this feature is created in assembly or in the parts, you can use this model item and only assembly. And now we know that this hole is not created separately in part 1, part 2 and part 3. We know that it's created in the assembly file. And this is how you can use model items when you have assembly. If you're tired of watching on YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the Solidworks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super Solidworks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.